Assuming you're doing your forearms justice with some variation of a wrist curl, you have to balance it out by working the antagonistic muscle groups. If you haven't watched my dumbbell wrist curl tutorial, please watch that first. Okay, so you've developed some forearm muscle and grip strength. Good job. However, wrist curls only work the flexor carpi radialis and flexor carpi ulnaris. Fun fact, you probably have a muscle called the palmaris longus. That helps out too. But only 85% of people actually have this muscle. If you don't have it, then I guess you just need to make the rest of your forearm muscles bigger to make up for it. Wrist extensions, the opposite of a curl, target the extensor carpi radialis longus, brevis, and ulnaris. Didn't think you were getting a Taylor Milton anatomy lesson on this video, did you? My favorite part of this exercise is not having to count reps. Pick a weight you can use for 1 minute straight, and when the 60 seconds is up, you're done. 10 pounds is perfect for me. After a minute, my forearms are toast. If you can learn this move with strict, disciplined form, eat protein, hydrate, and recover adequately, you'll build forearms like Popeye in no time.